Good morning to all. Dear participation and welcome to the second day of Icrtmcs 2023. We are truly honored to see such a wonderful gathering of brilliant minds and passionate individuals. I hope you are re-energized for another day of insightful discussion and valuable networking opportunities. I want to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to every one of you for being here with us today. Your presence adds immense values to this conference, and your enthusiasm for learning and collaboration is truly inspiring. On behalf of the ICRT 2023 team, I welcome our beloved Secretary Reverend Sister Magnificat, the Principal Reverend Sister Pushpa, Keynote Speaker Dr. Bir Basha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Jamal Muhammad College, Trichy. The special invites Dr. Sister Pramdin Teresa, Deputy Principal, St. Mary's College, Tutorin. Dr. Arul Amidaraja, St. Joseph College of Engineering, Chennai. Dr. Joseph Clement, VIT, Vellore. Mrs. Sweta, GPT College, Arandangi, to grace the second day of ICRT 2023. I also to take pride in welcoming the ICRT 2023 team, participants from different colleges, students, and all those who are present here. A lovely welcome to all of you. Wishing you all a day filled with enlightening discussion and meaningful connection. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your warm words of welcome.
May I invite Dr. Batma, Head Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, to introduce the keynote speaker to the gathering.
A pleasant welcome to all. We begin this day by thanking God for all his accompaniment and grace. I take pride in welcoming all of you for the second day of ICRT MCS 2023. I assure you that this conference will be fruitful and informative for all the members participating in the conference. I take immense pleasure in welcoming our keynote speaker, Dr. S. Bir Basha, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, Jamal Muhammad College, Trichy, who joined us today to share his knowledge and experience. Dr. S. Bir Basha received his PhD degree in Computer Science from Bharatidasan University 2022. He cleared UGC NET in the year 2020 and Tamil Nadu set in 2018. He has authored more than 21 publications in reputed international and national journals and conferences. His current research interests include machine learning and deep learning. He has been an editor on some of the book series and published several book chapters in international journals. He served as a senior lecturer for Southern Cross University, Australia in the year 2016 for teaching students for heterogeneous backgrounds. He has been actively participating as a reviewer of some of the international journals and a member of CSI societies. He was a recipient of prestigious Academic Excellence Award from the International Multidisciplinary Research Foundation, Andhra Pradesh in 2020 and served as a award for Best Paper Presenters during national and international conferences. He served as a technical chair for many conferences and workshops. He has a vast number of chairing session and more than 65 conferences at the national and international levels. Dr. S. Bir Basha is the inspiration for the younger generation, so we feel proud and honored to have him here in our midst to share his expertise and knowledge with us. To honor his nobility, may I call upon Principal Sister Pushpa to honor him with a shawl, and Sister Trisha, Vice Principal, to felicitate him the memento.
Thank you, ma'am, for your warm words of felicitation and welcome. Now, let's invite our chief guest to take over the session. Welcome, sir.
Okay, good morning. Okay. Okay. I'm in the passport. Yeah. Okay, once again, good morning again. Good morning. Okay. At the outset, I feel very happy. I'm okay with this. At the outset, I feel very happy in meeting the young and energetic heroines of Auxilium College. Yes or no? So most honorable Sister Dr. Pushpa Madam, the principal of this great institution. Next, Sister Dr. Teresa, the vice principal of this great institution. Madam Dr. S. Batmavati ma'am, HOD of Computer Science. I think Madam has lot of fans. Okay. And all the dignitaries, online and offline, and faculty members from this department and the participants from other institutions, as well as the lovable students. So we feel very delighted on behalf of Jamal Muhammad College, I am representing. So we feel very happy that this institution has taken a lot of measures in organizing this international conference, both mathematics and the Department of Computer Science. Okay, so my topic today is, what is my topic actually? What about that side? What is my topic? Very good. Clap hands. Recent trends in machine learning. Good. So recent trends in machine learning, right? Okay, I am a human being. So I can learn easily. But how does a machine learns? That matters. So I am a human being. I can learn easily. So how does a machine learns? So that matters. So next slide, please. See, this is all about machine learning. Go to the previous slide. Go to the previous slide, first slide. See, first slide. Previous slide. Back. Yes. Okay. So what is artificial intelligence? A student from mathematics. What is artificial intelligence? Terima. Okay, let me tell you. See, making the computers to think like a human being. Making the computers to think like a human being. We are human beings. So you would have think that, who is this man with a very big belly? He's very fat. is more than 100 kgs, you have some certain thinkings, some thoughts in your mind. But how does a machine thinks? If I give my same photo to the computer, how does it thinks? So we should program something. So that is called as machine learning, making the computers to think like a human being. That is called as artificial intelligence. The subpart of artificial intelligence is machine learning. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between normal traditional programming? This is a chocolate question for you. So I have dairy milk for you. What is the difference between traditional programming and machine learning? Can anyone, even the participants? Traditional programming and machine learning, what is the difference? See, in traditional programming, normal programming, while you do in the lab, what you'll do? You will give some input, right? It will calculate something. In order to add two numbers, you'll get A, you'll give the value for A, you'll give the value for B, and you will write the formula called C is equal to A plus B, and it will print the value, that is output. So we used to give input, and we used to give the logic, and that will produce the output. This is traditional programming. Means we used to give the input and the rules, and the computer will produce the output. But in machine learning, it is not the case. In machine learning, you have to give the input, you should give the output, it will produces the rules. That is the exact difference between traditional programming and normal programming. Clear? புரியுதா எல்லாருக்குமே? See, input and rules has to be given in traditional programming. It will produce as the output. But in machine learning, you should give the input, you should give the output, and it will produce as the rules. Clear? Okay. Next slide, please. Okay. I have this. See, this is all about the machine learning. So it is the science of getting computers to act without being explicitly programmed. So this definition has been given by Stanford University, and it is making the computers learn from studying data and statistics. So we should give the data and statistics, computers will learn by itself. How many of you have used Chat GPT here? Chat GPT. Could you please raise your hand? Chat GPT. Only one at the back. Okay. See, Chat GPT is a recent technology where all the students should be aware of that. Inshallah, I'll try to show the demonstration, practical demonstration. How many of you know about the teachable machine? Teachable machine. Webcam இருக்குல்ல? Webcam இருக்குல்ல, நான் இப்போ யூஸ் பண்ணேன் சார். இன்டர்நெட் கனெக்டிவிட்டி இருக்குல்ல? Okay, fine. Okay, see, I don't want to go with the slides and give you the theoretical things, because you should know what is Chat GPT. You should know what is teachable machine is, how the machine reads with our data. So that is very important for this recent trends and technologies. Before that, on the slide போங்க. ஆடியோ இருக்குல்லம்மா, வீடியோ ஒன்று ப்ளே பண்ணணும் சார். அந்த ஃபோல்டரை காப்பி பண்ணியாச்சு தானே? பண்ணியாச்சு. ஓகே. Okay, இந்த வீடியோவை இதை ப்ளே பண்ணுங்க. Okay, look at this video. Today. The pattern which I wanted to. Even I can speak like Obama, or even I can speak like Kove Sarla. That is up to me, right? So I have to choose a pattern. So there is a software in machine learning. There is a platform called DID. There is a website called DID. Please make a note of it. DI. DID. There is a software. where you can convert the images and you can give the text what you wanted to. That will convert that text into the video. So I can give only the text. I can give the image. That will convert into the speech. DID software. So in order to give the good rapport, I have created a video last night that I am Dr. Peer Basha from Jamal Mohammed College. So today I'm going to talk about the recent trends in machine learning. So with the help of DID software. Now I'll be talking about the recent trends, especially chat GPT as well as teachable machine, how the machine identifies, how it recognizes, how it trains. So that I'll give you the practical demonstration. Here you just type teachable machine. There is a website called teachable machine. See, you will get the website. So in this, the first link is teachable machine. Go with this. Is getting processed. See, here press click get started. So there are three different projects: image project, audio project, and post project. So I am going to teach about the art project, post project. Pick this image project and pick standard image model. And I have to, I can give the classes like webcam also I can give, or the files can be also be uploaded. So I am going with the class one name is, for example, SPB means yes Peer Basha. See, webcam, my webcam is opening. I am going to record my face here. See, my face is here. So I am going to record my face like this. Okay. So press this hold to record. See, the computer is receiving actually 12 images. So how many samples you want? You can give your samples. So I have given around 26 samples, right? Next, go to the class 2 and give us Vinci. So I am creating a class called Vinci and webcam. Come here. So I have given 26 samples. I'm going to train this model. There is an option called train model, training and testing. So I'm training model, train the model. So the system will coming back. It is showing the accuracy. This is the image number 3. See, for SPB, it is showing as 85 or 89 because C is sitting close. No, C. See, it is showing me the accuracy as 99 and now it is 100%. So this is how the computer will learn. We need to give the input. It will prepare the training model and it will give whether how much of accuracy we have. Normally, when we train the children, have apple, banana. First time I show them like apple, banana, orange. Apple, banana, orange. Okay. Three, memorize. One, ten. Show again and again. Memorize. Get confused. Child will get confused. So automatically accuracy will get down. Accuracy will not be 99% or 100%. Accuracy will get down. Okay. So this is how I just wanted to tell you. See, as a student, as a faculty, you should learn something about Chat GPT. So what is the expansion of GPT? Can anyone tell me? I'll give you the chocolate. GPT, global, no. Semester exam GPT, general, general, generative, P, pre-trained, T, transformer, generative, pre-trained transformer. That is called as GPT. GPT 1 is there, GPT 2 is there, GPT 3 is there. Generative, pre-trained transformer. சரி யாருமே ஆன்சர் பண்ண மாட்டேங்க சாக்லேட் நானே சாப்பிட்டுக்கிறேன் ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை ஸோ ஜெனரேட்டிவ் ப்ரீ ட்ரெயின்ட் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபார்மர் இது யூஸ் பண்ண சொல்லி chat.openai.com. See, look at that. Chat.openai, openartificialintelligence.com. You need to give that. And first time when you log in, you have to give the sign up. With the help of your Gmail, you can give sign up. So I am signing up. Or I am trying for login. Yes. So continue with Google. I'm continuing with Google. No need to give this one. You can use continue with Google. See, I'm using this email. Icrtmcs 2023. Okay, it is asking for birthday. We'll give today's birthday. 20, no. 10, month is 10, date is 20, year is 2023. No. So I'll reduce one age. I'll give, you're not able to create account. Why? What happened? Okay. It is asking for phone number. Who has created this email? You are. Okay. Tell your phone number, please. 95 666. Sir? 8. Is this right? You will get SMS. See, for the first time only, it will ask all these things. See, Chat GPT is helpful for higher education, as well as it is helpful for the teachers, as well as the students like you. So you can learn lot of things. Even the Department of Computer Science students, if you don't understand the program, you can give the line by line explanation for the program also. So it will teach you. Huh? Okay. Login பண்ணுவோம். Login. Login. One. See, if your madam asks you to prepare welcome address, or if she asks you to prepare vote of thanks, or if she asks you to prepare any letter writing, you can make use of the Chat GPT in a professional way. Even the officials can use Chat GPT for preparing even for the NAC report also you can. Within 5 minutes, you can prepare the report. So it is highly helpful for the higher officials. It is highly helpful for the placement cell as well. In order to create a report about this international conference, you could use Chat GPT. So that will take all the text from the existing database and it will show you. You just need to update whatever you want. That's all. A fine-tuned report will be generated with the help of Chat GPT. Yeah. So it is getting some verification. Okay, no problem, sir. Take the PPT. Take the PPT, please. Okay. So we'll show you after some time. Next, sir. Next slide. See, this is what I told. So this is the difference between traditional programming and machine learning. Okay. See, these are the examples where you can use the machine learning. Even in social media, in machine learning, especially in Chat GPT, in generative, pre-trained transformer, what we'll use? We use NLP techniques. What is NLP? Natural language processing. Natural language processing means in websites you used to give some reviews for a product. For example, if you buy Samsung Galaxy 31 mobile, we used to give some reviews. What reviews? Whether the mobile is good or not. So how much rating you wanted to give. So like that, the NLP technique, so that will receive, that is called a sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis. Whether the customer is giving the positive feedback or a neutral feedback or a negative feedback. So it will take the words, from the user and it will generate the feedback, whether he is satisfied or not satisfied. Even in email, if I send email to Dr. Batmavati madam, so how the email is predicting whether it is spam email or not, because of this NLP techniques only. The input which we give, so it will receive and it will find out whether it is fine-tuned or not. So these are the various examples, machine learning applications, where social media, based on the user activity based recommendation. For example, if I want to reduce my belly, if I use my camera, then it will find out it will capture my belly. So the machine will learn that the user which is sitting in front of the machine is a fat man. So it will suggest me how to reduce my belly fat. This is how the machine learns. So the text which we give, the text which we use in the WhatsApp, use in the email, everything will be stored in the database. So that is how it works. And the product recommendations also, and image recognition. For example, that is what I have done. So I have given some images and it is getting trained with the data and it has told how much of accuracy is there. Then sentiment analysis and healthcare. Even in healthcare, machine learning is playing a vital role. So in my research, I have used machine learning, developed some algorithms for bipolar disorder. So there are students with bipolar disorder. So in order to make their academic performance into good, so we have found some algorithms, machine learning algorithms, and we have played and found the results is good. Next. Oh, I should do that. See, these are the various applications of machine learning: voice recognition, number plate recognition, dream reader, search engine results. So for example, Google Voice Assistant, I used to give text, it will convert into voice. Or I can give voice, it will convert into text. So that is with the help of machine learning, it is possible. So look at this diagram. Look at this architecture. I mean the diagram. So it says about the healthcare, BFSI, law, retail, advertising and media, automotive and transportation, agriculture, manufacturing and others. So which one is too high? Which one? Advertising and media, automotive and transportation. Which one? I think the color is not visible, I think so. This one, advertising and media. See, this is what about the AI and its future. See, there is a company, a popular company called Survey and Global Services. So they predicts that by 2025, AI will be used in 95% of its consumer interactions. See, even now, when the company is very big company, the human will not interact with us. There is a chatbot. The computer, the artificial intelligence, the robots will chat with us. So we can give some query. Even sir was checking his email, and it is checking with his privacy also, whether he is a human or robot. So it is checking the authentication, right? Next. So these are the various developments in artificial intelligence. As I told you, that GPT 3.54 and computer vision, reinforcement learning. See, there are three different types of machine learning. One is supervised, another one is unsupervised, and the third one is reinforcement learning. Supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. So supervised means we used to use the labeled data. Unsupervised means we use unlabeled data. Means only input will be given and it will produce as the output automatically. See, in ChatGPT, once you give certain topics, it will predict itself. The computer, the ChatGPT will predict itself and give you the results. You don't want to repeat all those things. Means it will understand the situation. It will understand the situation and it will give you the solution. So these are the various developments in artificial intelligence. Now look at this. So through our eyes, human vision. So if I give a tomato, my eyes will look at that and it will process by my brain and I will say that it is tomato. But the same tomato, if I give it to machine, if I give it to the camera, so what it will do? Sensing device will sense the tomato and it will store in the computer and see, it will give the possibilities. Human eye, it has told me that 100% this is a tomato, but computers will never give you 100%. It will have a doubt that may be 84% tomato. There may be a chance of 15% as apple. There may be a chance of 1% as peach. So this is the thing. So in machine learning, we have a lot of options can be generated. We cannot predict that it is true. But in machine learning, we can have false rate as well, true rate as well. So these are the features of computer vision and convolutional neural network, artificial neural network, and recurrent neural network. So artificial neural network is only used for the textual classification. For example, emails, whether my email is spam or not. So that is for artificial neural network. So I have used a convolutional neural network technique by holding a web camera. I have given images. So sometimes I can give a video as an input. So that will be carried out by convolutional neural network. So convolutional neural network is used by images, videos, and audios. You can give that as input. So look at this. So this is the generative pre-trained transformer, and we have certain steps. Transformer, this is attention and all you need. So in 2017, there is an author called Vaneswa. So they have developed one self-attention mechanisms. Self-attention mechanisms. So where the self-attention mechanisms, they have deployed like contextual information has to be deployed. Means, for example, if myself and Madam Batmavati, if both are chatting, for example, ma'am is asking me like, where are you, sir? So I'll say, ma'am, I am in Kandarva Kotai. Next, the computer will predict what will be the next question. So if I started typing, it will give me some suggestions. So that is because of the transformer. So even in WhatsApp, if you type automatically it is giving me some suggestions, right? So how, if I type how, then R is being in front of me. So I can press R, or how is. So like that. So this is being done by the transformer. And generative pre-training, as I told you, generative pre-training means a chat GPT. So it is used for all the speech recognition as well as the sentimental analysis and voice recognition. At the same time, animation videos. So previously I have done one video, right? What I have done, I have given only the input as my image, and I have chosen which model I have to be trained with. And I have to give some content. So it will automatically convert that image into the video. So that is because that is with the help of artificial intelligence. And GPT-2, it is mainly used for multitask training. Means multitask training in the sense it will perform the images calculation and it will perform the textual, all those things. Whereas in Chat GPT-3, so this version is too higher and it will receive the complex data and it will produce certain analysis and it will give you the results. So Insect GPT, based upon our feedback, it will give all the suggestions. So previously, when I come, even before I come to this this international conference, myself and your college principal, we are discussing about Chat GPT, and I have told some demonstration how it works. So Madam felt very happy that so it is very easy for us to understand certain things. So like that, so whatever feedback which we give, so that will perform as it is. So these are the various features of GPT. So it is like translation, summarizing. For example, you can give a PDF into the Chat GPT. You can give the PDF. There are certain softwares. So PDF, for example, if your PDF has 20 pages, so this will convert 20 pages into one page and it will give you the summary. So that much of things you can do in this. So these are all already I have told about this one. So this is all about the virtual agents, means as like chatbots and conversational agents. So we have many things in machine learning. So this is how reinforcement learning. Can anyone tell me what is reinforcement? Yes, learning by example, already what we have studied. So we can come with that. Learning by example also we can say. So, very good, ma'am. Thank you. Listen this. Look at this diagram architecture. Input, response, and a feedback. Machine will learn and reinforce the response. And this is how it works. Look at this one. So this is what the agent, this is all about the environment. Agent actually, it interacts with the environment and it will make the decisions. And environment, it represents the external world beyond the agent's control. So this is all about the reward signal. Next, look at this one. Explainable AI. It is very, very important. Explainable AI. See how it works. This is normal AI, artificial intelligence. This is based upon the explainable AI. This is the recent trend in machine learning. Explainable AI means, so I will be giving sample trained data, a number of animals, photos. It will learn. So we have certain learned functions. Do you know what it is? It is neural networks. So these are all, there are three different layers in neural network. One is input layer. These are all hidden layers. And this is output layer. And after that, it will calculate, even though I have given a different faces of cats and dogs. This is a cat. The output is not 100%. It is only 0.97, means 97%. So why did you do that? Why not something else? When do you succeed? When do you fail? How I correct an error? So like that, lot of suggestions. But here in explainable AI, look at this. So I'll be giving the same training data. So with the help of learning processes, functionalities, so I'm giving one input as cat. This is called as explainable. Here, no explanation has been given. Only the numerical data has been given. But it will capture the image and it will explain all those things. That is, it has the above features, like it has a fur, it has whiskers, and it has claws. So this is called as explainable AI. So we need to give an image. It will describe whatever things we want. So these are all transfer learning, means explainable AI as well as the normal AI will combine together to produce this transfer learning. So this is for this, we need to give some learn features like images, as well as we have to give some convolutional neural network models as well. And that will predict whether it is a car or truck. So AI in healthcare, so AI plays a vital role for monitoring the patient's health as well as to reduce the healthcare expenses. AI plays a vital role. So finally, I just wanted to show this one. Even in biometric, we use artificial intelligence by getting our thumb impression. These are the research topics where many researchers around the world are doing researches in this area. So you can please make a note of it. Developing AI models that can produce transparent and interpretable explanations for their decisions. If I take one decision, why did I take the decisions? So that is what I said. Explainable AI. Explainable AI is a recent trend in machine learning. So if I made a decision that to travel to this part of Tamil Nadu, I mean to Axilium College of Women, College of Arts and Science for Women. So the computer will tell me, give some suggestions why Professor Peer Basha has accepted to go for Axilium College. What is the reason? So it will give explanations why he has traveled from Trichy to here. What is the reason for accepting this invitation? So like that it will produce us. So that is a new thing, new research area, and investigating the ethical implications of artificial intelligence algorithms and addressing bias in AI systems. At the same time, in medical diagnosis and drug discovery, personal treatment and patient care, we can apply the artificial intelligence. So these are the various research topics in machine learning. So you can make a note of it. And even AI can be used for climate change and sustainability as well. So why the climate is getting changed, and about the climate modeling, and about the self-driving car, about the Tesla, and applying AI to solve humanitarian challenges like disaster response, poverty alleviation, and healthcare access in undeserved communities. So these are the various research topics. I just wanted to show about the, sorry, is it working, ChatGPT? Okay. Okay, now I'll give you the demonstration of how to use a ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT. Okay, sure. I think many you have the mobile. In Play Store, you can download the ChatGPT app also. I think, do you have a mobile with you right now? No, right? Okay. In home, you can go and work out. Okay. In Play Store, type as ChatGPT and install it, where you can get the line by line explanation for the programs as well. For example, if you want to get 5 different logics for calculating the factorial of a given number, you can regenerate the programs as well. If you want the line by line explanation, you type the program and type as I need line by line explanation for this program. You can use it. Okay. Okay. See, main thing is you should understand what is machine learning, what are the recent trends in machine learning, even like how to say, for example, even in hotels, many robots are working. Not in India, in US, UK, many robots are working. So it doesn't mean that they learned many things and it is getting processed. No, not like that. So it is already pre-trained. Already all the inputs have been given. So, sir, is it working now? See, this is how ChatGPT looks like. Here there is a search box. So you need to type here whatever you want. See, I'm just preparing. Okay. Hey, you come here. Okay, fine. See, prepare a welcome address for international conference organized by Department of Computer Science, of Icrtmcs College of Arts and Science for women. See, it is getting prepared. See, ladies and gentlemen, in Google, you have lot of options. So which will make you to get confused. It will eat your time. But in Chat GPT, it will not eat your time. It will give you the concise and precise message that, see, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, esteemed speakers and participants, a very warm and hearty welcome to the Icrtmcs College of Arts and Science for Women for the prestigious International Conference on Computer Science. So we are delighted to have you all here today representing diverse cultures. So like that, you can prepare. For example, if you want to know the some questions, previous year questions, that also you can generate. See, for example, generate part B questions, part B and part C questions on C programming. It is getting processed. See, there are part B and part C questions. The students can make use of this Chat GPT in a better way. So it is generating, explain the differences between int, float and character data types in C. How do you declare and initialize a constant in C? Give example. Even you can generate the multiple choice questions also. Generate multiple choice questions for the text which you want. If you want with answer, it will generate with answer also. So multiple choice questions with answers, it will generate the answers. For example, if I want to conduct an aptitude test for Icrtmcs College for Women, so I can generate like this. See, generate 10 aptitude questions on problems on ages. There is a concept called problems on ages. So it will, see, this is a question paper. See, the sum of the ages of a father and his son is 45 years. So if you want with the answer, you need to give us with answer. See, you copy this. See, you paste it here. Questions with answers and explanations. See, it will give you the answer as well as the explanation. So this is how you can learn and you can prepare yourself for your placement as well. See, we are studying not only to keep our knowledge with ourselves. So I think my time is over. I just wanted to take 5 minutes of your precious time. See, we are studying not just to memorize. We are studying not just to memorize, not just to store our knowledge or not just to keep our knowledge with us. So we have to convert that knowledge into job. Yes or no? What will happen if you go to a job? What will you get? You will get salary, right? What will you do with that salary? Will you eat the salary? What will you do? You will get money with the, I mean, you will get money in the form of salary. You can eat well, you can dress well, you can give the money to your family, you can take care of your sisters and brothers, you can help poor, you can help the relatives. And you can give education to another student. You can pay fees for them. So for that, you should study well. For that, you should go to the job. So as a placement coordinator, I am the placement coordinator for 12,000 students of Jamal Muhammad College. Thank you, thank you. No. Thank you. The reason why I'm telling is, being a placement coordinator, I should tell you something. See, last week, Sutherland Global Services has visited our campus. They have recruited more than 100 students, mostly girls. So definitely you are also going to participate in campus drive, recruitment drive. So your principal is very happy and she is eager to bring lot of companies to this campus. So I request every one of you to equip your knowledge. So if you go to campus drive, they will ask what is machine learning? What do you know in computers? What is chat GPT? So I have not only come here for giving a keynote address to this international conference. I just wanted to talk with the young minds and to give some placement awareness as well. 2 in 1. See, this is a international research conference. You are all highly, I mean, everyone will have more than 80%, 85%, 90%, because you will write very neatly and you will get marks. But what about the knowledge? In order to get the knowledge, you should watch YouTube. You should get one notebook. You should practice with aptitude. You should start speaking in English. See, previously, when I was studying in undergraduate program, I don't even say good morning. I don't know to say good morning, hello everyone. I don't know. I don't speak English. I don't even look at others' eyes. I will hold my head like this and I will never look at others. I feel very shy, but now with the grace of Almighty, so I am talking to the 500 to 1,000 students and I'm able to communicate what I wanted to. That is because of practice. That is because of practice. See, girls, my sisters, what I wanted to convey you is, you just get a notebook and have a headset. Everyone, all are youngsters. I personally know that because I am with the 2K kids only. So everyone are looking at reels in Insta. So you are always watching reels. No, this is not good. This is not good. And you are spending your valuable time in watching reels. But instead of that, you watch the reels on aptitude. You watch the reels on communication. Daily one word. Daily one sentences. Characters will make words. Words will make sentence. Sentences will make paragraphs. Paragraphs will make essays. Essays will make everything. You will get a job opportunity. Clear? So this is what I wanted to tell you. So wish you all the best. So do you have any doubts or clarifications regarding placement? See, this is an international conference. So please avoid stage fear and try to participate in international conference or international workshop and present a paper. Whatever ideas you have, you present. See, yesterday I was a chairperson for this event. So one man from Punjab, he was presenting. Normal slides he had, normal slides only. He was not talking about any research aspects. But his college teachers have motivated and he himself got motivated and he has started presenting. Only plus is he has a good communication skill, that's all. See, if you have good communication skill, you can fly here and there. See, being a normal person, I have went to Thailand for paper presentation. I went in the year 2019, I presented a paper at Thailand. And I was working for Southern Cross University, Australia for a year, but in the year 2016. So I was a normal student, very normal student. Even if I speak English, why not you? Definitely you can speak English. Definitely you can fly here and there. You can earn money. See, it is a matter of interest. So I request every one of you to have interest. And if you do have any doubts or clarifications, you can raise. Raise your hand. I am glad to answer your queries. Any questions regarding recent trends in machine learning? Any queries? Okay. Okay. On behalf of the principal, she told me to insist this thing. We request all the students to make some ideas and to present your papers in international conferences or national conferences, as well as any seminars or workshop. You try to involve, try to actively participate. So I wholeheartedly thank Dr. Batmavati Madam for believing me and giving me a chance to give a keynote address in this international conference organized by the Department of Computer Science of Auxilium College. I'd like to thank the secretary and correspondent of this great institution. I'd like to thank all the administrative officials, principal madam, deputy vice principal, deputy principal, and all the faculty members and all the organizers and the lovable students for your patience listening. Wish you all the best. Thank you.